Hey you guys, it's KSB and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a quick length check, and this is going to be my unofficial length check, but I will be doing one soon. So be on the lookout for that. And here I'm just showing you my new growth. I had these braids in since I had my goddess locks, and this was the base for it, and I just kept them in after I removed the locks. I had these in for about a little over a month. So I wanted to show you guys that this part of my hair is not actually my hair. Those long pieces, those are from the goddess locks. Alright, so let's get right into it. I'm just putting my hair up in a way to prepare to take out a few braids in the back so that you guys can see the length. Here's an up close texture shot of my hair after it's been removed from the braid. So now I'm going to use my homemade flaxseed gel to saturate the section. I'm going to work this in really good into each section that I take down so that my hair is pliable enough to pull down to show you the actual length, since I'm not going to be straightening my hair. So here is my actual curl pattern and texture so you guys can see. Alright, now so here's the fun part. I'm actually pulling my hair down so that you guys can see all the growth that I've gained. I've gained quite a significant amount of growth. So here's the back shot, and here's a front view of the same section. Now I'm just braiding this section back down and preparing to take out another section so you all can see more of the growth. I'm going to do the same thing with the remainder of the sections as I did with the first one so that you guys can see better by using the flaxseed gel. Okay, so before moving on to the next section, I wanted to insert a clip of my last length check for you guys to see how much my hair has grown. This isn't official because I did have some setbacks because of postpartum shedding, etc. And I also had a few trims in between, but this gives you an idea of how much growth I've experienced. I'm giving you guys both views again for this section so you guys can see the front view as well as the back. Here is the front part of my hair, which is the last section that I'll be doing for this video. And here you can see my up close texture shot as well. Okay, now I'm just braiding everything back up because I will be still using this as my protective style and a way to grow my hair out even more. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I will be doing an official length check video, so make sure you guys are subscribed and also hit the notification bell to know when that's up. And also I will be doing other hair videos. Thumbs up this video and comment down below to let me know if you want to see more natural hair videos just like this one.